孖抱小王子亮相，威廉話 BB 似海蒂。出世只得1日嘅小王子由媽咪抱住，第一次一家3口同公眾見面。BB 隻手仔喐喐下，好似揮手咁。呢個新手爹哋一啲都唔雞手鴨腳喎。
Well, he's got a good pair of lungs on him, that's for sure. He's a big boy, he's quite heavy, but we're still working on a name, so we'll have that as soon as we can.
Very emotional, that's such a special time. I think any parent, I think, probably sort of know what this feeling feels like.
It's very special.
咁似邊個呢？
He's got her looks, thankfully.
No, I'm not sure about that.
佢哋之後就返屋企。嗱，你哋諗唔到名唔緊要㗎。有博彩公司話家陣最多人覺得會係叫 James、George 同 Henry， 而又以 James 最為熱門。呢位皇位第3繼承人一出世，英國就嗨爆啦！
Oh, we've never slept. We've been so excited. We've never slept.
It's a grandchild of Diana and a future king, and it's just a wonderful occasion.
海蒂係喺22號，即係當地時間星期1凌晨作動入院，全國緊張守候。終於佢喺晏晝4點24分生咗小王子，母子平安。威廉喺4個鐘頭之後早過白金漢宮嗰邊發聲明，話自己開心到不得了啊！之後皇室侍從先至將嗰張由幫海蒂接生嘅御醫所簽署嘅公告送到白金漢宮張貼。遲咗公佈，相信係為咗俾威廉同海蒂有多啲私人時間。雖然隔咗幾個鐘頭啊，但一聽到消息，國民依然開心到震。
我喺呢度恭喜英國皇室增添新成員，我哋向劍橋公爵夫人同埋小王子送上最衷心嘅祝福。
大家都可以上佢哋個 Facebook 專頁簽賀卡祝福威廉同海蒂㗎。